episode iswana.
Ngapeka yacho bafethi. It's your boy Danger 012 Mr. Niyazi bafethi angisangani mina kunobuskefti budget phakathi shoot manje ngihamba nezami ke. Mshungu Street Backers. Hayi si on ke lapho majets masiphetele.
Awutela ukwenzakalana kahle Mshungu Street Backers.
Yabona obuzayo social yami yazi ukuthi wayimbe ngicabangele ngiphuza ukuphendula. Because abanye since angithi event yami umuntu ophethe istrata uzobona ngokuthi ubisa abantu abanganani. And abantu laba kusho ukuthi enyabi mangiphethe istrata ngiphethe nabo. Siphethe nabo bangiphethe nami ngibaphethe ayibamba.
Umuzi wani.
Ufuna ukungibuza ngifile khuluma noma yini. Wahlezi isibuzo sabayo.
Wani umuzi wani ngideni. Kungamngisabi umuzi wani. Ndokukhona u-street back lapha ngizobona ngizoshaya emajayi.
Umuntu ofuna ukuyibuza esenhlizweni yakho ufuna ukuyazi. Bamba ntona yami.
Shocking Danger mfana wathwasisayo.
Qalile umshungu bafethu.
Yabona manje sengikhuluma ngazwakala akusho ukuthi asezakhala manje hayi seyi-on into akhona ngeke sizoyithini amaraba fethu hayi for abagela abafuna ukwazi ukuthi mina ngithanda abantu abanjani mina ngithanda noma unjani elonge uthanda mina senginakho ukuthi ngikuthande you never know try your luck yaqala ngithethe mina yini
Zina bafethu King David usingle.
Ngikho singili ngadlala ngithi
Tekken
okay ngithekeni
or sahamekile
Tekken
Take a lot.
Maranjani I smile a little I don't take a lot because if I take
just today it's a big event, it's a big day. Bambe mabrami obatshele lapho ka see it
okay word of the day since you got no money all obvious you got no power so be brave focus bangene siyaphambili asijiki sishilo namachiti mawunga subscribe banga kusho ukuthi umthakathi like umthakathi sayifana le
thank you Danger Fethu wabheka again on the fourth episode. Fourth, ne?
Yeah, 4.
Wabheka again on the fourth episode, bafethu. Angihambi ngiwa. Not everything real is seen. Not everything seen is real. Hamba ne co-host yami, hamba ne guest. Namhlanje ke siyashisa. Ngiphethe Dangerous bafethu. It has introduce siqale nge co-host yami bafethu.
Eyo, what about YouTube back again on another episode yawazi vele. Unkosi Nadolo Longo from the Max podcast. Noweshilo lo Ghost Boy. Ha seyishuna lento. Someone who are danger. This is a dangerous episode. This one.
Ngapeka yacho bafethi. It's your boy Danger 012 Mr. Niyazi bafethi angisangani mina kunobuskefti budget phakathi shoot manje ngihamba nezami ke. Hayi angazi ukuthi sifuna ukungibuzani hayi further on.
So promise la ku event yakho ne?
Sure.
How do you feel like event yakho yayibona ka uthi ba successful abantu bayacwala everything is happening?
Sure.
Ufila kanjani namhlanje ka?
Mina njaya mina ngitshela manga ngiyakhuthazeka ama gents cause mangiphethe nini angithola abantu abakwazi ukungibuza imibuzo ngifika ngikhuluma into engiyifilayo ama gents ngiqwele cause ngiqwele nangabantu abangisupportayo nayi bami vele angiyazi ngisayishaya lento sayenza lento sayikhuphula lento social lami
in regard for reference khulumile lento umshungu street back
Mshungu Street Backers bathini Mshungu Street Backers hayi si on ke lapho majets masiphetele
awutela ukwenzakalana kahle Mshungu Street Backers
yabona social lami umshungu ne ngajive baba not vele yes it's a competition mara I don't like to put it as in like it's a compete ngifuna ubafakela lo yamcondo lo
ukuthi ba enjoy
ngifuna ukuthi ba enjoy it's all about enjoyment showcasing talent nani ayibamba since lento lengiyenzelani since yime ngiba inspire ngithi
usiza intwana
ukuthi ni kanjalo nje because izibha ezinye ezinokukhala sifuna ukufana no Danger ilapha bathola amathuba
King Danger namhlanje nifuna ukufana naye bafethu Danger awusitshele ekule game ka ubunzima osubhekane nabo kule game ukuhosta kule game yokujive I'm sure i-artist
sure ka
industry yakho yonke into yenzayo what's the difficulty osike kwehlela like
difficult
into ezinzima like situation enzima okwayibona ukuthi alana
ukuthi bengijikele bezitshela ukuthi anginayo iplan
so betrayal
bangibetray abaningi kakhulu abanye bangidisappointa futhi mara ngiqinile ngisebenzile futhi ya namanje sabayangidinga sabayangitexta nizonya ngeke ningithole ya ngisasho futhi ukuthi angisatholakali unavailable angifuni next angisafuni ningasihlanganisi nami ngisekho niphumile ya ngisasho ukuthi machance ayibheka ubunzima vele sohlangana nabo sanakho ukuthi ulalungadlanga sometimes mabe ngakubhukhanga sanakho ukuthi ulalungadlanga mayintwana zingasupportanga so mele sibonga abantu just be grateful for what we have
abantu indlela
yeah because abantu they always by my side yabo yeah because mangosta nithi at least boma 10 rand entrance or 5 rand or 20 rand bazoyifaka le 5 rand and there is ofaka for love. That's why I said it's not for competition, it's for love, enjoyment. Yeah.
Our this yenzeka kuhle. You can see ngendlela ephuma ngakhona and nathi da pulling up ngiyabona
usazobona la usanokho ukuthi uqwala yazi ukuthi uzobona ngithi yini vela ama cameramans for today ngitshela ukuthi usanakho ukuthi uqwale 300 people bazongena la ngiyanibhetshela ngithi yini nizobe nishoot sazobabonisa
sayiputhe check grade bafethi
ngibona ukuthi hayi phela shayinte ona into yokudlala.
So kulezi intwana ezifuna ukufana no Danger, what advice do you give them in your journey ukuthi bangafana no Danger bavuke bebe ngumuntu ongcono much more better from the previous people abayibo ukuze bafane nawe because singabantu abani journey sihamba different nawe indlela ozihamba kudala asifane indlela ozihamba manje so ungamotivate kanjani intwana ukuthi sivuke kusasa singabantu abancono zivuke nazo kusasa
ngena
skima na fizo the jokes bafethu
ngiyabona vele that's umshunqo yazi vele shape
one and only and abafethu ngizwile le
question lo oyibuzayo social media yazi ukuthi wayimbe ngicabangela ngiphuza ukuphendula because abanye abantu bazobona ngathi sengifuna ukucamba amanga la ku broadcasting yibamba mara into engizoyi advise intwana esifuna ukufana nami ayikuthi ngithi mina ngiyazikhuphula ngizenze ngathi ngqono kunabanye abantwana mara iadvise the best advice engayenza mele ube nesibindi one uyazi ukuthi mina ngeke ngadayisa amawutwana estrateni
var
niyamangala not mina ngtrendila ngithi ya kwaba mnandi bebe ngibhuka lapha nala kwabheda ngadayisa amawutwana estrateni abanye bangidlula bamangala sokuchila uDanger sabahleka bayakholisa
so what happened uzufike kule situation bro
yeah
ukuthi abantu bebengasakuvuki
besekuzima not that ezinye izinto ngeza sendlini nje yami sana ukuthi into ebeyenzakala endlini vele hayi yes vele isituation yakhona kwesokumele kwenzakale
mara mina I feel like
because ngihlala ngiyi-one I have to pay rent I have to make sure ukuthi ngilale yeah ngithola so yeah that's why lento le bengiyenza not because ingenzele endlini bengenzela mina ukuthi
unganaka abantu ukuthi bathini
ubani umuntu ongeke ngilale ngidle kuye
mina I feel like this the situation asoka they don't just come they come ukuthi azokuqinisa
ngithola social ngoba manje
yakho ukuthi
that's why ngitshelile ukuthi ni manje vela unavailable unstoppable vela ngenzi because even na spiritual noma bengazama ukungithakatha ngeyibabo
into enizomenza yona u dangerous
ngiyakutshela ukuthi hayi khohlwa ngeke babone injalo
ama stories akho siya inspire neyintwana lapha esibhekile ezifuna ukufana no King Danger ezifuna ukuchange impilo zabo from the situation abakuyo namhlanje
abafuna
artist dancer everything
you wanna be just usikhandle ube right uhlonipha umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu mara don't depend on anyone because akekho umuntu ozokunikeza iplate lokulala udlile ma unganikezwa ngoma wakho noma ubaba wakho
yes so Bram sila strategy
sure
ubani ocabanga ukuthi uphethe strategy kulezi insuku
kulezi insuku
orofethi strategy
cabanga ukuthi
kephi kahle
ofethi trans eUvent unoma iberia
ngifuna ukuthi abantu bethi ngiyayitshela majenza
usile nguye
lutho
mamela uphethe strata kanjani kahle
okay wena
waziwayo mfethu
usilo that's why okay yazi ukuthi uzobona kanjani since angithi event yami umuntu ophethe strata uzobona ngokuthi ubisa abantu abanganani and abantu laba kusho ukuthi mangiphethe strata ngiphethe nabo bangiphethe nami ngibaphethe ayibamba so I can say yimi nenjaya mo la Costa no Fizo the jokes
and besinabo lamajita siba interviews nini serious yo second episode
shayili second episode besinabo
izintwana zami lezi la Costa
nale ujokes yangithanda.
Yeah, so wena lapha siku dance back le
Sure,
dance
sure,
back shawa isiputshwa isipantsula yini la shawa lapha kunani
Yabona la
kunani
yabona mangikhuluma nge-talent show ngikhuluma ngale nto enizoyibona namhlanje la social ngitshela ukuthi la yonke into iyabhakwa la ekhaya yeah fana ukuthi uthole manje seshaya bo skefty party hey manje shaya isipantsula shaya isikhothane shaya isibhutshwa shaya straight piano yabo shane kokosha noma yini yavele yonke into cause ngiphetha ama-socials abona
unentwana zakho nazo izincane nje uzibona ukuthi lezi
into engithanda ukuthi uvusa intwana ezincane
because angeke uvuse umuntu omkhulu because yazi why uzokudlela umona
yeah intwana ka uyohlezi yazi
mamela bathini real leaders create leaders yangizwa ngithini real leaders create leaders so yeah so wena if wena ucabanga ukuthi wena uyi-leader ungafuni uncisha abanye abantu ithuba you are not a leader dog. You are just a snitch or angazi ukuthi maybe a great leader creates a great leader. So nami usazobabona bazofana nami trust me ngithola hayi ukuthi ngiyavalelana mina lokho enginakho kumele ngishare intwana zami nisazozibona futhi angeke ngizivalele
zoba zikhona
yangithola lama center abakhiphayo asazobayenzela something for it. Yes iyangisiza mina mara nabo sazobasiza in future cause I will make sure ukuthi
kuba right so bro if I can ask you something ne
sure.
let's be real ne
sure
if ungavuka usho nekusasa ufuna ukukhonjula ngani
ngani like kanjani to
like ukuthi uthi how king danger out be ayisola ufuna ukuthi legacy yakho ibe yini la ufuna ukukhumbule kangani
uyazi mina yemedancer dog
ukukhumbule ukuthi he was the best dancer
bayazi nabayi ukuthi kumbe ngipick bayazi
babethi niyazi
nalabo bebecabanga ukuthi angikho pick ngipick vele because why namanje bayasha laba mabengibhekile bayasha that's why ngithi mina ngipick and bayazi ayibamba so that's why ngitshela ukuthi mina mangishona dog mangashona yes vele uNkulunkulu angangithatha noma ukusasa mara sebazi ukuthi hayi kuno Mr Skefty Party the creator the founder yangithola the one and only
King Danger
yangithola akekho umuntu mina yazi ukuthi company enye advice enginikeza ama-social mina I don't depend on i-celebrity ukuthi manje yo mele ngiplake nabo Risi nabo bani lezi ezimthembu ufuna imali yakhe akekho umuntu ozokunikeza imali yakhe dala sibajayivela labantu
ufuna wajayivela ubani like ever let's say ama big music videos I'm thinking my adverts my in
kakhulu social nabanye abantu dala kahle mina hayi ukuthi bengihamba nabo baningi bengabajayiveli bengihamba nabo yeah
so abanye ngabathatha
bengifuna ku crew yabo nje abanye baningi nje nalaba manje yabona lezi nja zama mina ngithi ngiqale ebukhothaneni lapho kibo
so nangushaya ultramela lapho phansi
ngithi yabona lezi ezami yabona mina isikhothani nabo bebazi labo abantu ebengihamba nabo ukuthi hayi yabona le yangithola mina ufafastra bekathi hayi for wena danger ngibamba kanje
ngisho ufafastra himself
hayi unadala
jo bafethu sama nomlilo namhlanje sama no dangerous
yangithola yibo abantu angithi nabo yes ngiqale kubo bangikhuphula nani yangithola mara yabe bavuma ukuthi hayi mina vele bengidangerous yangithola
mara noma ungaba big ngeke uchomela intwana nje ukuthi kulesi
intwana siyazi na lezi intwana eziyazi ukuthi hayi siphethe uGrootman ngithola
niyazi bafethu ne
ziyazi intwana
ni ready for back
sure ayikho question enifuna ukuyibuza ubhuti udanger like ekade kudala nifuna ukumbuza yona
zwakala ngathi zwakala
awuveli
zwakala ufuna vele angene ukontana
ufuna ukuvela
zwakala uza ngantwana uza ngemva kwakhe umbuzo yona
ufuna ukungibuza ukukhuluma noma yini wahlezi ufisa ukubuzo sabayo
khona umbuzo wananga udenji kungamsabi umbuzo wani nje ukhona street back lapha ngizobona ngizoshaya emajayi
umbuzo ufuna ukuyibuza esenhlizweni yakho ufuna ukuyazi yebamba ntwana yami
Shocking danger mfana wathwasisayo.
Ngiyabuza ushaya amadansi anzima
uthwasisa ukusho ngimnandi kangaka ntwana yami uthi stress kanjani ntwana yami ithi ngitshele yazi ukuthi ukukhambani ushonile umacala wami is not like ungithwasisile uyu umuntu obekangikhuthaza ukuthi ngipractice ishonile umacala wami angicela
RIP
yes shonile isosha lelana beningikhuthaza ukuthi haye baba shawunyawa man angicela ntana yami akekho umuntu ongifundisile mina ngikhuthaziwe umacala wami oshonile ngicela otherwise dala ngiyashayela lento that's why ubona mina ngijive into zami ngijive into ejava noma ubani baba ntana yami
kodwa mina bengisitshela ukuthi
kunomuntu ongamazi ne
awuyishaptana
ngiyakuzwa
ni crane wa face la kumu thank you
lokubuza limnandi so ngitele mina vele ngihlele esitokweni ngasona unjeta mamuvi zakho la mina kunini ngifuna ukujive once ngithi awuba ngo left over yi2
lale
wona uzovana
lo sekahlanya kakhulu next yazi ukuthi ukamani mina yilezi ezithi masohlanya kakhulu vele bazohlanya bayalandelela sicela izithombe nana yilezi mina obviously ngigrand and abanye bangithathe ezihlanya phela mangikhululekile mina ngigrand so usukucabanga ukuthi awule useless bayazi ama boundaries wabo kumele bedlalele khona mele mina kube yimi engimshelayo ukuthi sebeyangilandelela
sikashela wena
hayi phela lana manje
amara amantombazana manje ngitho azokushela phela so
la bazongishela ngiyazi bakhona mara sengisho
pedigree yonke namhlanje
what's up homies back again umshinqo street battles again bafethu ngithi yiyo le ndoda phethe unadona mphethe nomjida Ghost boy phethe no King Danger Hefaringos
Sasho yiyo le ndoda ebengikhuluma ngayo ngazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi yili social lami la Costa le bengisakhuluma ngayo bafethu
ile ngwanya aphuma emanzini hamba ngenyawo
woda
bafethu nani yabona we live umshinqo street back don't forget to like and subscribe to YouTube channel bafethu it's growing bafethu angiyabona siphusha ikazi
bafethu into engizontshela yona mfuthi masiceda lento ongalayikanga ngazi kahle ukuthi
how many likes 50 likes for this video last video
50 likes hayi baba
asiphushe
nama K maningashanga at least 10k views less than one day angiyabona ukuthi lingabathakathi like amthakathi wena man
like wena
ayivale lapho izongiqhathanisa nezitha zami
then let's go for a break a small break kancane and then we have a brief station and then we come back ngimbuzo for uDanger away
danko shout out to this gang danko
Yo bafethu wa air bafethu thank you for watching, thank you for everything, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing, thank you for sharing. We love you. Siyanibona into eniyenzayo, siyanibona siyapusha kama video sethu 300 and then we road to 100 subscribers.
Please guys like share and subscribe
So please subscribe stay tuned like Danko. Zwakala senze so kichima siqalile la zo edit ne
show efaka u repeat nje
ufuna yiphi ingoma nekalama
faka lapha kunosikotso ba
ufuna isikoti nekalama
amazi isikotso velo bizilizwe lonke
okay sila
Yo bafethu back on a break bafethu sikhamba noDanger hamba ne-co-host yami bafethu sihamba ngomunye umlilo sihamba ngoKing Danger namhlanje.
we're back from the end
yacho bafethu niyakwazi hayi vela ngifuna ukukhuluma kaningi ngoba nina nithi mangikhuluma nina nithi hayi senifuna kozaye khathele ngonoke nginitshela izinto nina nizongitshela nini ezeni indaba subscribe lapho uma uya ku subscribe ungabheke ungafuniyo kayeke
la from the back of it
yeah
doesn't bring Jimmy Jime ngembuzo
awusikhiphele ama-muscle sibone ukuthi hamba kanjani.
Yo ngiyasindela kula mafenza akho phandle lapha ade ngibuza ukuthi ngitshele mbuze something yabo.
Sure.
Bathi King Danger wena since ukwazi ukujiva so
Sure.
abageli bangaka babuza ngibele wani bathi and magama mogeli usangazi ngithulele
Umanager kanjani lapho ke?
kuba manager njani ogeli
Bathi ngibamanager kanjani?
wathi wena vele ogeli ngani uthanda ukugela abajivayo uthanda ukugela straight uthanda ukugela njani
Bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngithanda ugelo njani.
Mina kawu
Qalile umshunqo.
Yabona manje sengikhuluma ngazwakala kusho ukuthi aseziyakhala manje hayi seyi-on into akhona ngeke sizoyithini amaraba fethu hayi for abageli abafuna ukwazi ukuthi mina ngithanda abantu abanjani mina ngithanda noma unjani as long as uthanda mina senginakho ukuthi ngikuthande you never know try your luck.
Yadala ngithethe mina yini
zile bafethu King Danger usingle
ngikho singili ngadlala ngithi
Tekken.
Okay ngithekeni
Or usahamikling.
take a lot
mara njani I smile a little.
fanele
I don't take a lot because if I take a lot awugelwa uzokwatha.
Thank you man.
sure
So bro there is this thing ukhona umuntu owakuzwa ukuthi akhuphule ngawo.
eziningi kawu
If ungaqambanyana ngoba kwamele kawu baba abahlazeke.
sizohlabeka seziyazazi mara wazi ukuthi iziningi mara sikhuphukile futhi vele
Mara kawu
mase ngisiqamba sokuba ingathi sengikhuphula bona mina mase ngiyaziqamba manje baba
mara uphile kanjani like for i-advice ongayigaya untwana like untwana if before bayuzwa yangithola.
before bayuzwe
Yeah, because obviously uzwa into ekhona
Sure.
abantu ababhaye basuyuzela for lento esinazo.
Yeah.
You understand? So yini advice ongayigaya untwana ongakadluli kule situation ukuthi abhekelele lawo bantu labo ukuthi bangaze bamuse ngoba umuntu sebengamuse bagcine bamlimazile emotional bagcine bamlimazile bagcine iyagcina sebamshile kawo like as into boy
Sometimes
sekalimele
ukuthi mawubuza imibuzo yakhe angihlaba because usuke ukhuluma ngathi ukhuluma ngento yazi ngami yabo.
uyabona.
Yeah, so into engayi-advise abantu ukuthi ungathembi umuntu okutshela okupromise ukuthi usanokukupromise umuntu vele mntwana I will what you yangithola and stuff ngizokunikeza loko naloko umuntu imali ceda kanjani angakunikezi leyo uyangithola. So into esikhuluma ngayo into kanje noma ethi ngikuthembisa ukuthi sohamba endaweni ekanje angayenzi leyo nto which is wrong ngisuke bebhlungu is better than ukuthi angangipromise. So don't take promises as serious because uzokhetha umuntu ekupromise ukuthi sihamba endaweni ekanje so ubona uqhamuka nomunye umuntu kuleyo ndawo seba enjoy kumnandi kanjani le ndawo kufanele uhambe
Nawo solimela inhliziyo.
uyazolimala vele maraya for mina ngitshela ukuthi ngistrong angeke babuye mina ngiyazenzela ngijalo azodwa
senze nje sivale
No. Kawu Danger, you are known for throwing wildest parties, hottest parties like us.
yeah.
Ube newari ukuthi mhlawumbe ungaba nempilo yomuntu engaruineka lapha or something. Njenganamhlanje it's a big event.
sengena lapha bathi search amabhegi wararwani
Yeah, security tight nami ngiyayibona.
and uyazi ukuthi ibhlungu kanjani ngoba isikezala imali intwana before ibhlungu because I always pray intwana zibe safe into engiyenzayo iphumelele nezinja zami yabo because I'm scared sometimes banokulwa bese mabelwa uyabagijima bagcwala istrata bashayiswa imoto yabona imoto yangithola. I'm scared but I'm brave because I pray yangithola. So ayinjalo social lami.
So kawu wena mina into eyenza event akho ngikukhohle like empilweni yakho sokwayibona like mehlo wakho ukuthi aphela la umuntu wenza udoti or lo mntwana lo bamdlile kasho or something like ekuyenzeka
I remember I hosted it was my birthday ne?
Yeah.
I hosted an event bese one of my team not one vele some of my teammates baba late bangangisizi I handled it alone and mina bengicabanga ukuthi ngizoyenza kunabanye.
hayi koso yena yendo hey lo mchithi ubheka induni ebafethu lapho hey okay iqhubeka
yangithola So yeah, I hosted a event bekwi-birthday yami yabo. And I expected ukuthola ini i-game zami sezifikile before already. Ngithola maybe sebayayisusa sebayajiva because it's my birthday. I'm not supposed to ukuthi kube yimi engicala. I'm a rifle. Singakhulumi ngalento sezadlula ngalezo.
Yeah, it's a good thing bafethu namhlanje phethu King Danger as G siyaphambili bafethu. One Love like us social umshinqo battles, umshinqo street battles na event yakhona intwana siziqalile lapha ziyajive emuva ngiyayibona. Ntwana ni happy bafethu ne?
Ni happy chance. Wela baba.
Thank you bro. Misoka umongoshange word of the day before sivala lento just today it's a big event, it's a big day bambe mat bro. Obatshele lapho ka say it. Word of the day.
Okay, word of the day. Since you got no money, all obvious you got no power. So be brave, focus, bangene saphambili asijiki sishilo namachita. Manga subscribe banga kusho ukuthi umthakathi, like umthakathi sayivala le.
Thank you Danger.
Danko. Alright, danko bafethu siyabonga for liking and sharing and subscribing to the channel. Siyabonga
Thank you
bafethu.
bafethu.
This was a nice episode. Umshungo siyakhuphuka bafethu. We're gonna do a live coverage seyishaya street battle. Yonke into ezenzeka lapha sibe sinayo Ghostboy angithi sonke la bro.
Song.
Hayi bafethu. We're gonna tilt the camera. You're gonna see everything. Please watch till the end bafethu. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
We love you.
We love you always. Danko.
Sibabonise lapho sikhamba kanjani. Sibabonise khamba kanjani. Sibabonise khamba kanjani. Sibabonise khamba kanjani. Sibabonise khamba kanjani.